What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. This is Big Money Mindset. Pleased to bring you another video here today. In today's video, we're going to be going over the top 4 companies to watch this week and how all of these companies have an amazing opportunity to profit drastically in the short term as well as the long term. Once again, I want to say thank you to everyone that subscribed to the channel so far. Your feedback is beyond appreciated. The growth this channel is experiencing is just ridiculous. We just hit that 10,000 subscriber mark, and I think the channel is only getting started. Once again, I can't do it without you guys, and I want to say thank you. Huge announcement. The Big Money Mindset Rocket Fuel merch is now live. You will see the link in the description. I want you guys to understand, we have every color imaginable, all types of different merch. It's crazy. We've been getting a lot of good feedback, and I want you guys to check it out. Guys, I've been getting hundreds of comments on how to play stock options, and a lot of people are still confused. I don't want you investing in stock options if you do not have a grasp on how they work at this time. I now offer VIP access to all of my stock market and options plays. You can sign up with the Patreon if you want to be notified immediately as soon as I make these calls. And most importantly, only if you feel this video gives you a better insight on how to play the stock market this upcoming week. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. We're going to be keeping you updated daily as far as growth stocks and spec plates in the near future. There's going to be a lot of great information and you don't want to miss out. Let's get into the video. Alright guys, for this upcoming week, we're going to mainly focus on Shell, Hyliion, Workhorse, Tattoo Chef, and Lordstown Motors. These are going to be the stocks I'm focusing on this upcoming week, starting with Tuesday. Understand these companies that we are talking about, you are in early. I mean very early. 3 out of the 4 companies we're discussing are under $25 per share. You only need to hit big on one to receive massive profits, especially if you're planning on investing in options. Hyliion Shell, potential Q3 merger in September. We have already seen a high of $58. I wouldn't be surprised if we see a $70 max out pre-merger before the ticker symbol changes. My target price is still $90 plus on this stock. I have purchased these options and I think they're going to run hard this upcoming week, and I'm very excited for the gains that we are going to be seeing. When I was buying these call options for Shell, you have to understand I was buying in that $20 range when I was purchasing these options, okay? I got the options for around $3.90. I've been going over this for weeks now. I purchased 16 contracts. Each contract has 100 shares inside of it for a premium price. My expiration date is around 10/16, so I still have a lot of time after the merger. These 16 contracts were purchased around $6,200. We can see as of right now, to me making this video, they're worth $21,000. So I've had a crazy amount of profit, around 337% gain. But understand, this is after a nice sell-off with Shell Hyliion. This is at the $52 range. When this stock was in that $58 range, I was up nearly $30,000 off of a $6,000 investment. You have to understand, this stock has not seen its peak price yet leading up to the merger. If I can get into that range that I've been waiting for, that $80, $90 plus range, I'm going to see potential $80,000 profit if it does make it up to that price range. And I'm very excited for these next 2 weeks because I think the merger is going to be finalized very soon. So I want you to understand that the VIP Patreon is going to be giving you access to the immediate moment that I purchase these types of options, because these options have drastic price fluctuations in a very short time frame. A matter of hours to 1 day, these stock options move drastically. As you can see, I purchased these for around $3.90 and now they're worth nearly $17, and they were also at a peak of $22, and that's when I was up nearly $30,000. So if you want to follow the channel, I'm going to keep giving you option tips in the near future. I've been watching it since it was around the $18, $19 range, and that's when I've been telling you guys to buy in. So we do have a lot of people on the channel that are in at that time frame, which is very good. But for those of you that have been investing in the options, this is going to be a very important week because some of you guys might want to limit your risk to reward management and potentially get out of the option if it does move drastically. So you need to be very cautious when you invest in these options plays. This is the range I've been telling you guys to purchase this stock in, the $18, $19 range at the end of July. I truly do think we will hit the initial highs that we have just seen last week at that $58 range very quickly, okay? I think we're going to see the FOMO really happen and the news articles could potentially break out drastically this upcoming week. So this is one you need to watch significantly if you plan on investing in it only short term. Long term, I wouldn't even worry about the stock. This thing is going to be worth some big money down the road, so there's nothing to worry about if you plan on holding this long term. Another big one we have to watch this week is Workhorse, okay? We're sitting at about $19.71. The potential massive deal between three competitors left, okay? You have to understand, this is a 6-year contract worth 180,000 vehicles that need to be made. The USPS contract is also in a total of $6 billion. The winner will be fueled with potential customers down the road. So understand, whoever wins this company is going to be amazing short-term play, of course, because they're going to see a drastic run-up. But the winner is also going to be receiving massive amount of customer exposure long-term. And understand, Workhorse is in the last mile delivery sector, and they've been doing it for over 20 years. The big factor that I keep trying to tell you guys is the deal they just made with Hitachi, okay? This is a massive manufacturing company that has been doing it for years. Workhorse announced a strategic agreement with Hitachi America. Do a little homework, check out Hitachi, and understand what kind of manufacturing this company possesses. This is a massive Japanese technology giant, okay? And they know manufacturing in the automotive sector. As you can see, now that Workhorse has hit this scene and made it out of that penny stock range, the company has hovered very nicely in that $15 to $20 range. So understand, you are in early as well as far as long-term growth. We are in the beginning for EV technology and last mile delivery. Companies like UPS, USPS, Amazon, these companies are all going to be rapidly transferring over to the EV sector for those vehicles because these vehicles are cutting down drastically on expenses with fuel economy. I continue to see people commenting on the channel that work for USPS, and they are letting us know that the USPS delivery vehicles that have been around for 40 years are horrible. These things break down, these things are catching on fire, these things are costing them big time money. They're going to be scrapping all of those vehicles soon. They need another 180,000, okay? Just understand, I believe Workhorse has a large opportunity to win this contract, but it could be a possibility that they team up with another one of the competitors, which is still going to be amazing for the company in the short term because the stock is going to move drastically. So I've already purchased this stock in that $15 range in my private portfolio as well as my public portfolio. So just understand that this company is going to be great short-term and long-term as well. And you need to be watching it this week because we do not know when the announcement of that potential contract is going to be announced. Just know you need to be in before that contract gets announced. All right, another company that you have to have on your watch list for this upcoming week is Tattoo Chef, okay? They're sitting at about $21. Potential Q4 merger early October, okay? This company has massive revenue growth and year-over-year net increase of over 100%. A big thing that I'm looking into with Tattoo Chef, okay, is Walmart, okay? This is a big-time income source for their company. Tattoo Chef is a vegan food brand featuring items such as enchilada bowls, cauliflower wings, burgers, smoothie bowls, and much more. It grows its own organic vegetables in Italy and hand-prepares its items to sell at grocery stores such as Walmart and Costco wholesales. Importantly, its foods are all able to be frozen, offering grocery stores more flexibility with supply and expiration. You rarely see a frozen food company with such amazing products valuing health over time. Tattoo Chef spends the time in the kitchen so you don't have to. Their products are expertly designed and prepared to offer convenience for busy lifestyles without sacrificing on quality, nutritional value, or freshness. So there's no need to blend or spend hours in the kitchen. So just open it up, thaw or heat, and enjoy. I went over in my last video that these products are as fresh and organic as it possibly can get, okay? They're non-GMO verified, USDA organic, gluten-free. It does not get better than this for a frozen food company, and people will pay that extra dollar for a company with amazing products. If you plan on investing in this company in the near future, check out their Instagram, check out the products, do your due diligence, and just overall see what the company is as a whole. The last company we're going to be taking a look at is Lordstown Motors. This is under the ticker symbol Diamond Peak Holdings, DPHC. This is a potential Q4 merger, and they have acquired General Motors' massive factory, okay? This is going to put them up for 27,000 pre-orders coming in the near future, okay? What we are looking for this company in the next week or so is potential sell-off because this company has ran drastically in the past couple of weeks, but I feel like people and their impatience is going to start to take a toll as far as the stock price. So you want to be getting in this stock around that $15 range. And I did the numbers right now. We're hovering around $17.60. So I do see a potential opportunity to strike if you are looking to purchase regular stock in the near future. Lordstown Motors acquired its EV technology from Workhorse in a $15.8 million deal as far as a 10% stake as well in the new startup. With both pickup truck and electrical vehicle sales trending upward in the U.S., Lordstown Motors believes it can generate $118 million in revenue next year and $1.7 billion in revenue in the first full year of its sales in 2022, according to the presentation. It expects to be able to make about 31,000 trucks in 2022, with production more or less doubling each year after that. The startup also says there is potential to enter SUV market over time. So understand, when I'm talking about purchasing stock for this company, I'm talking about a midterm play, okay? This isn't a 10, 20-year hold. This company is going to be worth some big-time money in the next 2 to 3 years. So understand, this stock isn't going to die down anytime soon. It's going to be moving crazy as soon as these pre-orders start to take place, as well as this company merging very soon. The Endurance is a full-size electrical pickup truck with about 250 miles of range. That's very solid. One of the truck's standout feature is it's powered by 4 electrical hub motors with 1 in each wheel, as opposed to placing them on the axles. This makes it possible to precisely deliver different amounts of torque to each wheel, which helps in tough driving conditions. The truck will start around 52 grand. So we have done in previous videos a comparison to the Ford F-150s, the GMCs, and we can see that the towing capacity is right there with the American trucks, Ford, GMC, Dodge, etc. So if you're getting the same towing capacity as a regular truck with the same price, as well as fully electric, saving drastically on fuel expenses, it's a no-brainer to go the electrical route, as well as EV is just in its beginning stages of growth in the United States. This is the vehicle. It is very solid. It has great towing capacity, a great price point, Workhorse's technology, and they are getting pre-orders drastically already. So just understand, this is going to be a great play to look for a potential sell-off in the near future. And if you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoyed doing this video for you. Once again, I want to say thank you to everyone that subscribed to the channel. Your feedback is beyond appreciated. Be sure to leave me a comment and tell me what you think about this video leading up to this week, what kind of price fluctuations you see happening with these stocks, and what stocks you plan on buying. And don't forget to check out the Big Money Mindset Rocket Fuel merch we have just launched. The link is in the description. We have a wide variety of merch as well as a large range of colors. And most importantly, only if you feel this video gave you a better insight on what stocks to watch this upcoming week, as well as what type of upside these stocks possess, be sure to subscribe to the channel. We're going to be keeping you updated daily on all the growth stocks and spec plays in the near future. There's going to be a lot of great information and you don't want to miss out. This is Big Money Mindset. I'm Kyle. You have a great day.